Today I'm reading about aphids.
Show. Aphids. Okay. What are aphids?
Aphids are tiny
Pests.
pests. These insects suck plant sap.
They are pests. Oh my, there's so many of them.
They think they live near farms.
Your farms, you think?
Aphids,
Louder?
aphids baby, gray, red, or black. Some look woolly.
Some look woolly. Yeah. Oh my, it looks like cotton. Can't believe those are insects. Okay.
Aphids have
Hey, what?
aphids have short
Tubes.
tubes on their backs. Drops come out of them to warn others of danger.
Oh, those are the tubes. This is on their back. Okay. Louder, huh?
Plants, poop, and
Pests. Okay. Louder.
aphids live
What's that?
Aphids live on trees and crops. One plant can hold many aphids.
Aphids.
Where does it
poop? Where does it say
Aphids.
poop? Here. Plants, poop, and pests. Look, look, look here. Favorite food? Plant sap.
Aphids poop honeydew. Ants collect it and eat it.
Ooh.
Here's the poop.
No, this is the plant sap, like the juice of the plant. That's what they like to eat. And then when they poop, you see, they poop like that, like water droplets. And then the ants collect it and eat it.
Ladybugs and earwigs eat aphids. They help control the pest.
They help control Oh, the ladybug. The ladybug eats aphids. Okay.
So earwigs. This is
That's aphid, yeah.
going up. Aphids.
Huh? Aphids.
Aphids. Both give birth and lay eggs. They give birth in warm weather.
Oh, their lifespan is about 1 month only. That's short. That's just like from August 1 to August 31, and then they're dead. That's short.
Lay eggs. When it gets cold, the babies break out in spring.
Oh, those are their eggs.
It looks like cherries.
Or beans, like
tomatoes.
the red beans.
So I'm talking about the eggs.
Yeah, but it's very
The
small.
eggs look like something that ate, I think.
Okay. Later you can think about that.
I forgot what it is called. Young aphids can make plants too.
Crowded.
Aphids
Aphids
wings
fly.
fly to new plants. Time to eat.
Time to eat. Okay. Some aphids have wings and some don't. Oh, that's it. Okay, what do you say?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Look here.